The Lost Balloon. One sunny morning, a little boy named Sam went to the park with his red balloon. He held the string tightly as he walked. The balloon floated high above his head, bright against the blue sky. Sam sat on a bench to rest and looked at the other children playing. Suddenly, a strong wind blew. The string slipped from his hand and the balloon flew away. Oh no! Sam cried. He ran after the balloon, but it floated higher and higher. Sam felt sad. An older girl named Lily saw Sam's sad face. What happened? She asked. My balloon flew away, Sam said. Lily smiled. Wait here. She went to a nearby stall and bought a new red balloon. She gave it to Sam. Sam's face lit up. Thank you, he said. Lily replied, sometimes we lose things, but there's always something good waiting for us. Sam nodded and held the new balloon tightly. He learned to be more careful and was happy again.